Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this beautiful flower bookmark. You will need a sucker stick, some paint and paintbrushes, glue, paper, scissors, a pencil, and stickers. The first thing we need to do is paint our sucker stick a nice shade of green. Paint it one side at a time and give it time to dry in between. Next, using your pencil, sketch out 3 flower shapes on different color paper and cut them out with the scissors. Make sure that each flower shape is smaller than the last. Once your flowers are cut out, glue them all together in a pretty design. And decorate it with a nice sticker or bead in the middle. Glue your flower onto the stick, and just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own beautiful flower bookmark. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.